Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing Backlog by Newlog. If you haven't already heard of Backlog, it's an awesome project management software, and I'll leave a link to sign up for it in the description. Anyways, let's get right into the review. The first thing you'll see once you sign up for Backlog is the dashboard. From here, you can easily get an overview of any of the projects or tasks you're currently working on. There are some drop-down bars for your ongoing projects, current issues, and recent updates from your various projects. On the top of the page, you can easily navigate to your dashboard, projects, and recently viewed issues. The small plus button can also be used to quickly add projects and add more issues as well. In order to add your coworkers and collaborators to your projects, you first need to click on the upper right profile, click on Organization Settings, and then Members. From here, you can invite new members to your Backlog projects via email or by your custom generated link. You can also group members into categories on the left, which is super useful if you're collaborating with multiple different groups. My favorite part about Backlog's invite system is how if you can create a link through the custom system, you can have anyone sign up from it, and it's super handy if you're looking to work with a large amount of people. This is what your project dashboard will look like once you first create a project. From here, you can view the recent updates, issue status, milestones, and categories. In the upper left by your profile picture, you can add members to the project by simply clicking on the plus symbol and selecting the users that have signed up through your email or custom link. They will be added to the project and can start working on any tasks that you may have assigned them. Next up is the Add Issue tab. One of the great things about Backlog is that you can mark your issues under 4 different categories: task, bug, request, and other. It's a great asset to be able to distinguish between each issue by a simple tab, and it makes filtering them so much easier. You can also assign issues to specific people and customize its priority and due date. Here is the tab where all of your issues will show up. The issues can be filtered by their status, category, and assignee, and there's even an advanced search for specific issues that have lots of tags. I once had a project with over 400 tasks being worked on, but it only took me a few seconds to narrow down the one I was searching for with the advanced search. You can even get a short URL link to share with your peers so that they can quickly access the list of issues. Next is the Beta Board tab, which was just introduced to Backlog. It really helps simplify any ongoing tasks, and personally I use it to feel less overwhelmed when there's a lot of active issues. As you can see, there are 4 different categories: open, in progress, resolved, and closed. Each issue can be dragged into any of the groups, and the best part is that my board can look completely different from my coworkers. Each person working on the project can customize their board to their needs, which helps personalize the working environment. An awesome feature that Backlog added is the Wiki Page. Essentially, it's like a Q&A page for your collaborators that you can fully customize. It's very versatile, and you can change the titles, text, and even make shortcuts to certain parts of the wiki. If you're planning to work with a lot of people, the Wiki Page can serve as a huge guidebook for everyone to follow. The Files tab is pretty self-explanatory, but it's nice that Backlog has a file sharing service built into its project management software. You can upload and download any files that are added to the Files tab, and you can also make folders to store such files. Personally, I think it's great that I don't have to use services like Google Drive and Dropbox since I have Backlog's file sharing as an option. Lastly, this is the project settings page. From here, you can rename your project, add or remove members, and even change the background colors of your workspace. You can fully customize the way your workspace looks, and that's what makes Backlog such a great project management software. One last thing that I want to mention before the end of the video is that there are plenty of alternatives if you think Backlog isn't for you. If you're looking for a project management software with a great calendar management system, check out Team Gantt. If you're looking for a beginner software for perhaps a new company, check out Rike. I'll leave links in the description to both of those to check them out. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching my review on Backlog, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out the link in the description below to sign up for Backlog, and I'll see you next time.